most important thing for me as a CEO is to see people that I work with growing and taking opportunities to grow and learn and becoming the best versions of themselves.
I feel that I am welcome here, and especially at TechTime that you have diversity here, you know. You have people from different places of the world.
So it's super collaborative, everyone's super friendly, super easy to get along with.
They're very thankful for any other skills or backgrounds that you might have.
A lot of what you need here is passion, curiosity and stubbornness.
You can always ask for people to give you a hand with things or offer your own input for other people.
Whenever I've had a question, I've been able to have it answered.
For me, a really good day is one that I get to go through and write some code, get to help somebody else learn something new about their technology, or to just level up.
When we tackle issues together, everybody has its own individual way of seeing an issue. And I think we amplify this and create something at the very end that is better than an individual solution.
Yes, the TechTime really cares for the people and wants them all to grow.
Pretty much as our team gets more diverse, the better we do.
Look, I think TechTime is a family, right? I like to think of it as a family business.